Bitcoin is probably about to see a little bit of a relief rally until then, eventually crashing even further towards the downside. Because, well, having a look into the Bitcoin funding rates, they have flipped a little bit negative on some of the exchanges. This was, of course, a signal we wanted to have a look towards in order for us to actually flip kind of bullish again in the short term. But after that bounce, probably we are going to be seeing another crash, because in the longer term, we are still looking very bearish. I am going to be explaining this exactly in this update video, so can we once again push up the likes back above the 90 likes? That would be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And what we could be seeing over here is that we are already trying to kind of break out above this resistance that we have been talking about. And this is, in my opinion, due to the fact that this morning we could be seeing that the Bitcoin funding rates were actually spiking a little bit in towards the negative zone. And if you have been following me, you of course already know that this is one of the signals I wanted to be seeing in order for me to actually flip a little bit more bullish in the short term. And definitely we are seeing that right now developing. At the same time, we are also already kind of breaking out outside of this resistance where we have also been talking about. So yes, definitely, I've been saying whenever we are going to be seeing this, well then we could be expecting a little bit of a relief rally. And we are exactly seeing that right now happening, playing out. So in my opinion, if we are going to be closing above this red resistance, well then we are going to be breaking towards the 43.3k mark. So yes, in the short term, we might potentially actually be seeing a little bit of a relief rally, but I will exactly be talking about this a little bit later in this video. But first of all, I need to be talking about my Bitcoin position on Bitunix, because I have actually shorted the exact Bitcoin top, but this position actually got closed out. Literally because Bitunix was actually upgrading their systems. Well, unfortunately, also my position got closed out. Okay, you can be seeing right here my position history. You can be seeing that it closed at a 35k profit. I've already before that taken out 7k in a profit. So yeah, my account size is right now sitting at 62k. I of course started out this account with only 10k in this account. Right now it is already 6x from where we started. But in my opinion, if you are a subscriber to this channel, this is only a very good thing, because right now I'm closed out of my position, and this only means that I need to be searching for another very good trading opportunity. And I will be sharing that next trade in my VIP group. Now this group will be completely for free, but I will be talking about this also a little bit later in this video. Now a lot of people have actually been panicking yesterday after this news came out that the US will be selling another 130 million of their Bitcoin. But well, the price hardly was affected because of this news, and this is actually a very good and positive signal for the market, because when there is a lot of fear in the market, but the price actually hardly gets affected by the fear, well that means we are getting very close towards a short-term bottom. So yeah, we saw that yesterday, and also on top of that, in my opinion, 130 million is not that much anymore for Bitcoin, because well, Grayscale has been selling off 4.3 billion US dollars. So yeah, that 130 million US dollars is of course nothing to compare to what Grayscale is actually doing. Now, a lot of people are saying right now that the Bitcoin price is crashing because of Grayscale, but I've actually been saying already for weeks, no, this is not the case. Literally, all of the Bitcoins that are being sold off by Grayscale are literally being bought up again by BlackRock, by ARK Invest, by Fidelity, and by Bitwise. So in my opinion, this is absolutely not true. Grayscale is not causing this Bitcoin dump. People are just converting their Bitcoin ETF to another company, because there the fees will be way lower. So yeah, to once again say it again, this dump is not caused by Grayscale. It is just organic normal selling that is going on. It is just normal price action, but right now for the short term it is actually looking good. I am expecting a little bit of a relief rally. Of course, after a minus 20% dump, we can of course be expecting a little bit of a relief rally. That is perfectly normal because the Bitcoin price moves in waves. It doesn't go down in a straight line and it doesn't go up in a straight line as well. So of course, we could be expecting a little bit of a relief rally until then finally, because we are still trading inside of this downtrend, because the longer term is actually, in my opinion, still looking quite bearish. Well then, after that relief rally, we are probably, in my opinion, going to be seeing another dump. So yeah, two very good trading setups incoming, in my opinion, towards the upside, but also towards the downside. And I will be sharing my exact next trade in my VIP group. So this group will be completely for free. I will be sharing everything I've described over here. The only thing you basically need to do is register in this form right here, so I can kind of estimate how much the demand would be for a group like this. If there will be enough demand, I will be reaching out through Telegram. You can right now pre-register yourself with this link down below. Also on Twitter, down below this video, you can also find that same exact link, mrcrypt.to. So make sure to sign up on this form and I will be reaching out if there will be enough demand. Now, if you are as well going to be interested in trading, make sure to go ahead towards that second link in the description, because you can right now still for 5 days claim this free $1,000 trade. The only thing you need to do is create a new account and deposit at least $100 and you can be claiming this free trade. Now this offer will only be available for another 5 days. After these 5 days, well, this position will not be able to be getting claimed again. So yes, in the short term, Bitcoin is really about to break out right now. So I will be trying to upload this video as soon as possible. But what we are seeing as well in the longer term is that a lot of people are actually afraid to be buying up more spot Bitcoin. And in my opinion, there is a very important difference you need to know about buying spot Bitcoin and actually leverage trading. Because of course, buying spot Bitcoin, I have been saying below the 40k, I will be buying up more spot Bitcoin, but it is only for my leverage trades that I'm really trying to nail the exact bottom and the exact top. Please, for your hodl position, please do not try to nail the exact bottom and the exact top, because literally we are fast approaching the Bitcoin halving. This will be a very bullish catalyst for the next bull market. So yeah, in my opinion, I'm just scooping up as many Bitcoin as possible right now. We do not know how low this correction will be. Now, I will be trying to predict this bottom as accurately as possible. That bottom is just going to be for our leverage trades, and it is not going to be for our hodl positions. I am personally not trying to trade with my spot positions. I'm just holding it until the next Bitcoin bull market. But with that being said, let's see if we can be breaking above this resistance. Make sure to sign up for my VIP group right now and follow me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.